to the Department of Sociology. I'm Dr. Rebecca Casey, an assistant professor. I teach research methods as well as courses in aging and work. Sociology is a vibrant program that provides a critical, scholarly analysis of how we understand and experience our social world. There are three broad themes that define our program: knowledge and power, social injustice, and the sociology of everyday life. We pride ourselves on our dedication and focus to public sociology. Our renowned research methods program offers students opportunities to research a diverse range of social issues. Students have an opportunity to connect classroom learning with community engagement. Our graduates are equipped with the necessary skills to actively participate in a complex social world. In sociology, you will have small class sizes and an opportunity to really get to know your fellow classmates and professors. At the senior level, students often work very closely with the faculty, and with a vibrant research community among our professors, we often hire students as research assistants. In sociology, you will have an opportunity to learn about social theory, criminology, race and ethnicity, gender and sexuality, health, food security, poverty, social policies, work, aging, and so much more. Sociology is a great place to be, as you'll be exposed to many interesting and relevant topics. As Dr. Rudrum will explain, our students go on to do many great things after they graduate from Acadia University. Throughout this video, you will hear from a few of our faculty members, as well as our current and past students. Thank you.
I'm Sarah Rudrum, an associate professor in the Department of Sociology. Researcher and have researched maternity care services in northern Uganda, as well as closer to home in Nova Scotia. Today, I wanted to talk to you about our honors program and our master's program. So sociology offers a fourth-year honors program for eligible students. Students identify a topic that they would like to research and do original empirical research on that topic, writing a thesis. Recently, I've worked with students on topics such as Mi'kmaq perspectives on healing and student experiences with the birth control pill, for example. Each year, one of our honors students receives the Zelda Abramson Award for Commit Sociology. This is for a graduating student to celebrate their work in bringing their research and their knowledge of sociology beyond the classroom. We also offer a 16-month master's program. Students take coursework in methodology, theory, and courses of their interest, and then write a thesis based on their own research. To give some sense of the range of topics, we have students working on conservative political rhetoric, on radio programming on teen pregnancy in Ghana, and on precarious labor. Students from both our undergrad and graduate programs have gone on to study in their PhD, to work as policy analysts for ministers of parliament, to work for Statistics Canada or in other research positions, as well as taking up careers in a diverse range of fields such as the law, teaching, and social work. Welcome to sociology.
Hi, I'm Christine Moreau, and I graduated from Acadia in 2019 with an honors degree in sociology. My honors thesis at Acadia was a theoretical exploration of the concept of transgression within queer theory. I was lucky enough to be a recipient of and donor of the Zelda Abramson Award for Public Sociology. For me, public sociology looks like really using our scholarly work within our own communities and thinking about how we can use our understandings of concepts like social institutions, structural inequality, and systems of oppression to challenge those systems collectively and engage with areas like business and health and professional studies through a critical sociology lens to ask what we really need to make our communities better places for all of our neighbors.
Hi, I'm Leslie Frank, and I'm a member of the Sociology Department at Acadia. I'm also the Tier 2 Canada Research Chair in Food, Health, and Social Justice. I teach research methods and the sociology of food and eating, the sociology of family and health, and social welfare and social policy.
Hi there, my name is Janique Ellis and I am an honors student in the sociology department. Currently, I'm studying food insecurity faced by international students with my supervisor, Dr. Leslie Frank. I have truly enjoyed my time in the sociology department because they emphasize student wellness and intellectual stimulation for student growth. And this is done by hosting various events, by showing flexibility, and by also emphasizing the importance of student-teacher relationship. And this has helped me to grow as an individual, but it has also helped me to see the world through different lenses.
Hi, I'm Cassandra Alfieri, a fourth-year sociology student, currently doing my honors under Dr. Rebecca Casey, studying the inclusivity of children with disabilities. A reason why I like sociology so much is because our staff is very welcoming and friendly, as well as we have a wide range of courses to choose from. I hope you choose Acadia Sociology.